Are you ready? I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille.
I'm ready for another close-up, Mr. Demir.
Hey, oh look, man, my retro, my retro '90s thing going on right now. Let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy JMO704, and welcome to the channel where we discuss everything from beard care to menswear, and we might sprinkle a little bit of fitness in here and there. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button, because I already know some other brothers out here, man, who might need these beard care tips and these reviews. So go ahead and help a brother out. Shout out to the Poor Man's Podcast, man. Go ahead and give me that HBO special, man. That help a brother out special.
I need that special delivery.
So before we get into this review, I just want to say, man, I'm super excited to be reviewing this product with y'all today, man. I'm really happy for this company. I've seen them do some amazing things since they've been on the bearded scene. Actually, back in 2015, they approached me to be one of their brand ambassadors whenever they were formerly known as Nude Beard Balm. But since then, I guess y'all can kind of see why they switched the name up, but they approached me back in 2015, and I guess y'all can see here, man, hey, my beard, hey, it was on its way, but still had some work it needed to do. But just grateful for the opportunity that they saw the potential in my beard and still wanted me to be a part of their brand and promoting their products. Since the rebrand, though, they have actually expanded their line into a men's hair care line. For those of y'all that still have hair, I'm really kind of jealous of y'all. Not gonna front. If I had the opportunity to still have waves or to at least grow my hair, yeah, I would be right there with y'all. Man, in addition to that, they've also expanded into having their own men's skincare line. So, if you need some help with keeping that melanin popping, hey man, go ahead and check out their skincare line. And they've also expanded into having their own fragrance line. So, hey, if you're looking for some smell good, go ahead and hit them up for the smell good as well. So, and I also didn't know this, that they actually have two different types of beard balms. So they have a conditioning beard balm, in which we will be reviewing today, but they also have a stay and hold beard balm. And if y'all want me to review that, go ahead and drop a comment down in the box below and let me know if y'all want me to review that as well. And I didn't even know this either until I started going on their website and looking around, but they also created different scents of their beard balm. So they have like a Miami Duppy scented beard balm, and they also have some other ones, man. So make sure y'all go to the website and check that out. So before we get into the review, I just want to recap real quick what is a beard balm, how to use it, when you should use it, and things of that nature before we get into the review. So man, basically, just to keep it real simple with y'all, beard balms are excellent for moisturizing your beard, and they're also great for taming the flyaways that occur whenever you are picking your beard, and it just helps with overall just styling your beard and maintaining a good shape of your beard. So now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the nuts and bolts of this Scotch Porter Beard Balm. Some of their main ingredients include biotin liposomes. They say that it's known to be a key ingredient for strong hair, skin, and nails. Another key ingredient is nettle leaf. So they say that it is rich in vitamin A, C, D, and B, and also a good source of protein and amino acids. And their other key ingredient is white willow bark. White willow bark extract is known for its flake reduction benefits, and it helps reduce inflammation associated with redness, and it acts as an effective Let's start over. It acts as an effective antimicrobial. Yeah, I might have to go to Google and find out what is an effective antimicrobial. Hey, look, man. Like I told y'all on the first video, man. I'm a regular dude, and you know what I'm saying. I'm not. Hey, I like to make things simple here, but either way, man. So, um, but then as far as some of their scent profile, again, hey, man. Hey, I'm like a lot of y'all out here. I don't really know a whole lot of these, so I'm gonna just read them off just for the sake of y'all, man. So their scent profile: top notes, sandalwood, carnation. The middle notes, warm oak moss. Hey, man, can we cue like some little vibey kind of music? I'm feeling real earthy right now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay. So let's start from the top. Top notes: sandalwood and carnation. Middle notes: warm oak moss, spicy notes, and a powdery musk. In their base notes, they got a vanilla, cashmere, wood, and ambers. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's just go ahead and jump straight into the review. So, first question I want to answer for y'all is, did this beard balm leave my beard moisturized? Hey, and look, man, let y'all take a look. Well, hey, man, I think it left my beard feeling pretty moisturized.
Yes.
And I will also say, man, that I really loved how easily the beard balm absorbed into my beard. I've been using this beard balm on the days that I didn't use the Shea Moisture beard balm, just to, just kind of give it a side-by-side comparison and see which one I like better. But I really did like how easily it absorbed into my beard. And then just in terms of if it helped with taming the flyaways, I mean, shoot, man, y'all can take a look, man. There's not a lot of flyaways going on right now. So it basically delivered on its job. It did what they say they were gonna do. It understood the assignment. You know what I'm saying? I will say that it was relatively easy for me to style my beard using this beard balm. Now, let's get into the price. How much does it cost? How much is it gonna cost you to get a beard like mine, man? It's priceless, because you ain't never gonna have a beard like mine. But in order for you to get this Scotch Porter Beard Balm, it's gonna run you a whopping $14.99. Now, I will say it's a little pricey. It's a little pricey. So, if you're just growing your beard, if you're just starting out on your beard journey and you're not quite sure if you want to make the $15 investment, then shop around. And then, once you kind of get a little routine going, or you got some more money to invest into some better products, then definitely, step it up and go ahead and get you some of that Scotch Porter. Let's get into the pros of this Scotch Porter Beard Balm. So my first pro for this, which I feel like is the most important pro, is that whenever they developed this beard balm, or just their line in general, man, they kept our beard hair in mind. They kept our particular beard hair in mind. And when you go on the website, you already see that they catering to the brothers, so you already know that they keeping us in mind. And no disrespect to my other bearded brethren out here, hey, salute to y'all, but it's just great to know that you have somewhere where you can go, and the website is, or the brand is, specifically for you and catered to you, or catered to us, so next thing, texture. Again, one of my complaints with the previous beard balm review that I did was just the texture was just too thick. With this beard balm, I love that it's more of a creamy type texture, and I loved how easily it absorbed into my beard and how easily it was for me to style my beard with this Scotch Porter Beard Balm. Fragrance. The other pro that I really enjoyed about this, man, I will say that from a fragrance standpoint, it smells really inviting. The scent wasn't so strong that it was overpowering, but at the same time, it was strong enough to where, if you got somebody that's over at the crib and laid up under you, and you already know.
Speak up. What does GTD stand for? Got the draws, okay?
Yeah, hey. And I'm trying to help y'all out, man. I'm trying to help y'all.
Got the draws, okay?
So if you're trying to,
Got the draws, okay?
you better go ahead and get you some of that Scotch Porter Beard Balm, man. I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, he got the draws.
So those are the pros, man. But you know, with any brand, no brand is perfect. And let's just go ahead and talk about the cons. So the biggest cons that I have for Scotch Porter's Beard Balm, I will say one con that I have is the price. It is a little pricey in comparison to other beard balms. So if you're just a beginner in your beard journey and you don't have the money to invest into, you know, a higher end product such as Scotch Porter, then, you know, this may not be the best product for you at this time. But, you know, as you continue to grow your beard and continue to learn more about your beard, then hey, you know, coming back and investing that $15 is definitely going to be worth it. The other con that stuck out the most to me was just the availability. Now, you do have the option of just straight up buying it from the website, but you know, you might be out and about at your local Walmart or at your local beauty supply store. And for me, you know, I live in a smaller town, smaller city, so in order for me to find this Scotch Porter, I actually had to drive about 25-30 minutes to Target. And I do know that they are located in Target. So for those of you who have a Target close by, then hey, it works out for you. But for me to make an hour-long kind of round trip to get the product, really not worth it. I would rather just wait until I would just rather purchase it online and just wait for it to come in the mail. So, you know, I mean, just two small gripes, two small cons. Just be careful with the amount of beard balm that you do use, because if you use too much, then you will have a difficult time having the balm absorb into your beard, and it's going to present some difficulties whenever you are trying to style your beard. So just be mindful of that. On the website, they rated Scotch Porter's Beard Balm at a 4.9. I'm not even mad at that rating. You know what? Actually, myself personally, I would give it like a 4.8. And my only two knocks on it, like I already said, was just the price and the availability. So, you know, I'm not mad at a 4.9. Would I recommend this beard balm for you to use? Most definitely. So if you've been thinking about if you should buy some, I'm telling you right now, go ahead and cop you some. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna help you out, and I went on ahead and put a link in the description for you to go ahead and purchase you some Scotch Porter Beard Balm, man. You know, so overall, man, I would definitely recommend this product to you guys to implement into your beard routine. And y'all, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. You know, did I get it right with this beard balm review video? What's been your experience with using Scotch Porter's Beard Balm? Also, if you like these type of beard product reviews videos, hey man, let me know down in the comments as well. And if there's any beard products that you guys want me to review, if there's any way that I can bring more value to you guys, definitely let me know down in the comments. And I will work my hardest to provide better and more valuable content for you guys. So with that being said, just a couple things before we end the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, because that helps the channel grow. And if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram at jmo704. That's where it goes down. I post a lot of my fitness related content, a lot of my style related content over on there, and also on my stories. Y'all, my stories, they be going down, man. I be asking a whole bunch of random questions, and you know, hey man, it's a fun time over there. So make sure you go ahead and follow me over there on Instagram. Also, I am a personal trainer / online coach. So if you are looking to get in shape, if you're looking to burn fat as well as build some muscle, I've also left a link in the description for you to apply for my online coaching program. So take advantage of that. So with that being said, Man, if there's anything, and I mean absolutely anything that you want to do in life, just remember you got to have patience. You got to have consistency, and just know that, man, all things are possible, but it don't happen overnight. Until the next review. Peace.